Hello, today we will see how to create a CSV file in Python. For that, first step is to import CSV. So let's import CSV. Next, now we will create two objects, field and row, and we will give the data accordingly. Field means CSV file, as you know, is like a Excel file which consists of rows and columns. So field is referring to columns in a file, CSV file, and rows means it refers to the data inside those columns. As we have a column in table MySQL and we have the corresponding data. So that corresponding data is the row and the attributes or the columns are the columns in CSV also. So let us see how to create the topmost columns in a CSV file. For that, first we have to declare some fields. So fields equal to, you can make the column name as, can give as caps, initial letter, and then we can put roll number, then result. So let us try with these three fields first. So here I close my bracket. Let us have three columns to just create a simple CSV file. So for your understanding, you can mention here creating now we will create the rows. So we'll have rows equal to, again we have square bracket. For each row we need to have another square bracket. So name we can give like this. All the data must be given in single quotes in the CSV file. So we can close. Again, next line we can go for the second row. So another bracket opens here, and same level you can try with other data that you require. So there's a mistake, we have missed out a single quote, and then then let's include one more name. Close the square bracket which we opened initially after rows. So here we have created containing data. Now, now we have to write or keep the name of the file of CSV file, and for that we will write the following code. Let me write a line first. Here under that I am writing, so let it be file name equal to report card. Let us keep report card dot csv double quotes close. Now so like this we can keep the file name equal to any name that you want to keep dot csv. Then we will actually write this content to the CSV file. So for that we have to write into CSV file, and the code is with open of the file name that you kept, comma, open in W mode because you're going to write it as CSV file. Next line you write CSV writer, that is equal to CSV writer of CSV dot writer. It's a method. Writer is a method. CSV dot writer of, you have to write the file name that you get. So the object we have made CSV file, so that we have to write here. Next, writing data columns. So for writing column, we can write CSV writer dot write row of fields, and to write the column, CSV writer dot write rows is for rows. So we have already made these two objects on the topmost two lines. So now let us see. We will save the file. We'll write the name creating CSV file as the program name. Now I will try to run it. Some syntax mistake is there. Let us correct it. With open as CSV file. So file name equal to report card.csv, then file name. So same case is there. CSV writer equal to, oh, there is no CSV writer dot, just dot CSV. Just a minute. Actually, we have missed a colon symbol here. That is why it was showing error. We'll run again. So remember the syntax, when you use with open statement, you have a colon symbol. So intended block C, oh, there is CBS by mistake, typing error. CSB. So we'll save this again. Run. Okay, so we have to actually give indentation little inside because it's within the block of width. So let us see. Yes, our file is running successfully. Now we'll go and check for the CSV file inside. For that, we will go to open, and here we have we have to search for the all the files we have to select. So you can see here report card is created here. So this is a CSV file actually, and let me show you through this CSV report card. So we have this file. Yes, so this is the CSV file, and you can open it directly from the content. Now you see here we have three column names: name, roll number, and result, and we have the corresponding data. So all the names, roll numbers, and the result that we have passed through the Python file. So I hope you understood the code. Thank you.